Yes, I knew. I knew. Thank you.
Charles. Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today, or this evening, we are going to go to Extra Virgin, which is the Italian restaurant on board here. I've literally just decided that I'm going to film this, which is why I'm starting a video right in the middle of doing my face. So I have the evening off, which is amazing. So me and a few friends are going to go for dinner at Extra Virgin, which I'm excited about. And then there's like not a party, but like a thing that they're doing for crew, so we're gonna go to that afterwards. So it should be a really, really good night. Great food, great company, and a little, well, party I suppose after. Controlled party. But I am so hungry. I had a very light lunch because I knew that I was going to Extra Virgin, so I was gonna eat loads, so I wanted to like save myself for that, because there's nothing worse than going to a restaurant where you want to eat everything but you're already kind of full. So, but I think I'm just gonna skip ahead because you guys have seen you've seen me do my makeup so many times at this point. You're probably like, Lucy, shut up and get on with it. Okay, I'm ready. I am dressed, almost. Okay, that'll do. Right, so gonna go. I have 5 minutes before I need to be there, so let's go. I'm here with Owen, Lauren, and Freddie. So we've got some bread and some olive oil. You pour that so gracefully, Owen.
Thank you.
Kind of cheese, we have gorgonzola from Venice. We have pecorino romano, which is very, very good with the honey. You must try it. And the pecorino parmigiano reggiano, 24 months aged. We have 3 different of salumi, selection of salumi. We have San Daniele prosciutto from Parma, and 2 different kind of salami. One is finocchiona, the other one is campagnolo. Finocchiona is with fennel in it. We also have bear mustard, caponata, eggplant caponata, and mixed nuts with rosemary. Okay?
Amazing,
Buon
thank you.
appetito.
So our main has just come. This looks incredible. So I've gone for some seafood pasta. Freddie, what have you got? The gnocchi?
Double portion of gnocchi.
Punjabi dozy. Lauren? Gnocchi. Gnocchi, lovely.
Seafood pasta.
Lovely. Sarah is here with the affogato trolley.
There we go. This is my beautiful affogato trolley, guys. Do you know what affogato means? Drowning. Drowning.
Drowning?
Yeah. Yeah. The idea is that the ice cream.
Drowning in coffee and ice cream.
There we go.
Nice.
This is what it is. That is the typical color of the thing. So we have 3 different flavors, guys. I have whiskey cream, Gianduiotto, which is chocolate with
Great.
How is the dessert?
Yeah, very nice, thank you.
Good. Freddie? Tip top? Lauren? Gorgeous.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Charles? Just finished. Hey Marco. The best.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Someone said, "Mommy, can I get a ahoy?"
And I'm feeling good. Oh, amazing. So I've just got back to my cabin, taken my face off and changed. What a lovely evening. That was so lovely. Extra virgin is just incredible. The food is amazing. The wine was nice. The company was even better. And then we went to see Abby at the Manor. As you saw, she is great. Like, there's no denying it. She has such a great voice. So she's part of the Happenings cast. So here on Virgin, they decided not to have a cruise director, but instead have lots of cruise directors. So there's, I believe, 9 members of the Happenings cast, and each one has like a speciality. So there's the gamer, who is in charge of games. There's the foodie, so he is the person to go to if you want to know anything about the restaurants. There's Abby, who is the hostess, so she hosts events. So she will host bingo, she will host a show, she has her own show, she has, well, like so many things that she hosts. But it's a really interesting concept because obviously the majority of cruises you go on, you have one cruise director who kind of controls the whole cruise in terms of entertainment. However, on here you have lots of people who specialise in different things. But I think that's one of the there's so many changes that Virgin Voyages have made to cruising as we know it. But I think that was one of the most shocking things, you know, because a cruise director, like, what is a cruise without a cruise director, right? But they've just like, no, we're going to scrap that idea and start again and come up with something fresh. And yeah, and they've got the Happenings cast, and I mean the entertainment on here is fantastic, like really spectacular. But anyway, I am rambling now. So I have had a lovely evening. I hope you have enjoyed watching me have a lovely evening. But I am going to go to bed. But I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, guys. If you have, then please press the like button and the subscribe button. It would really mean the world to me. And if you have any video suggestions or questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, or you can DM me over on Instagram at Cruising as Crew, and I will try and get back to you. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.